students. One of my students asked me a question. They said, "Teacher, when I have two O's, how come sometimes the sound is different? For example, foot. Two O's says foot. It rhymes with the word put. Put, foot, The sound is put, foot. It rhymes with put. But other times you see two O's and the sound is ooh, like the word food. Food, ooh, has two O's. So there are two sounds of two O's. And in today's video, we're going to learn about those sounds. Let's practice the sound foot, put, foot, cook, book, look, took, took. Cook, book, look, took. These words rhyme. Good, stood, Now let's practice a chant to help you remember the words that have the sound with two O's. Sound. I like to look at a good cookbook. I like to look at a good cookbook. I stood on one foot. I stood on one foot. These words have the sound and they have two O's. Now let's practice the sound ooh. Pool, moon, soon, noodle, food. These words have two O's and the sound is ooh. But students, there are many ways to spell the sound ooh. It is called the long U sound. So let's look at the other ways to spell this sound. Students, there are 4 ways to spell the sound ooh. So the first way to spell it is with the two O's. Food, soon. The next way is with a U and an E. The U is first. So this is the same, ooh, ooh, like in the word blue. Blue, blue. It sounds the same as double O, but the spelling is U-E, blue. The next one is with a U first and with an E, the magic E, and we have a letter in the middle. So this word is use, use. And the last way to spell the sound ooh is E-W. So this one is difficult, but you need to remember E-W says ooh, like in the word new, new. Ooh, 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 ooh. 4 ways to spell the sound ooh. Let's practice our ooh long U words. Blue, glue, clue, do, pool, two, pool, moon, soon, noodle, use, cute, rude, tube, huge. Huge means big. June. New, few, chew, drew, and grew. The tree grew. Music, student, Tuesday. All of these words have the sound oo, but they have different spellings. Let's practice some chants with these words ooh words. When is your baby due? That means when is your baby coming? When will your baby be born? When is your baby due? The cute baby was born in June. The cute baby was born in June. Cute June. The baby wears blue. The new baby grew and grew. Let's practice that again. When is your baby due? The cute baby was born in June. The baby wears blue. The new baby grew and grew. Let's practice listening to these sounds in these words. Number 1, us. One vowel, U, says Use. Use is number 2. Us. 1 or 2? Us. 1. Us. 1. Use. 2. Number 1, cut. Number 2, cute. The baby is so cute. Now you need to think, am I saying 1 or 2? Cute. 2. Cut. 1. Cut. 1. Cute. 2. Make sure to say the cute sound. Number 1, hug. Hug. Number 2, huge. Huge. Very big. Now you say 1 or 2. Huge. 2. Huge. 2. Hug. 1. Huge. 2. So students, when you are saying these words, make sure this is a short sound. Hug. Hug. And this is a long sound. Huge. Huge. If you make sure to have long sounds, when you say huge, you will be much easier to understand. So students, in this video you have learned that 2 O's has 2 different sounds. So in the word foot, the 2 O's make the sound like put, foot, put. But you also have 2 O's that make the sound ooh. And students, did you know there are 3 ways to spell two? Two with 2 O's. I want to come to. Or T-O. I'm going to Superstore. And T-W-O. To, the number 2. 1, 2. This is how you spell the number 2. But they all have the same sound of the double O. Two. Ooh, ooh. Foot. Ooh, ooh. 2. Now let's practice the chants so you can remember these words in a sentence. I like to look at a good cookbook. I like to look at a good cookbook. I stood on 1 foot. I stood on 1 foot. Students, do you remember the 4 ways to spell ooh? Okay, so we have T-O-O. What is another way to spell ooh? Do you remember? U-E, like the word blue. Another one is U-E with another letter in the middle. What is the last way to spell ooh? E-W. When is your baby due? The cute baby was born in June. The baby wears blue. The new baby grew and grew. We are finished for today, students. Keep practicing these sounds and your English will improve so much. Have a good day.